What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're tackling a Halloween project for you. We've got more renovation content in the works, so that's going to be coming up soon. But in the meantime, we're going to be doing some Halloween projects. If you follow us on TikTok or you watch us on Shorts, you might have already noticed that we've got some videos coming out. And every week in October, we're going to be sharing a couple Halloween projects and things we've got on the go to create the best Halloween display that we can. So,
Catch a finger.
I missed it. Oh, that's what we've got. Stop throwing fingers at me. We were doing a craft and it involves making little fingers. They all broke. Anyways, today's video, we're gonna show you guys how we make, or how you can make. We don't do this on a regular basis. We're making a coffin. If you're new to our page or if you need a little reminder, this is our pile of extra lumber. So Andrew is a carpenter, so we just always have wood laying around. And because we're always doing projects and this is our job, we collect a lot of material. So we've got old deck boards in here. We've got beams from building the treehouse, old stair treads, a little bit of everything. So yes, we're gonna be making a casket or a coffin. We're gonna be reusing more of our cedar deck boards. If you've been following us for a while, it's the cedar deck boards that were up on top, the deck up here, and pallets. I called them skids in the last video. It's the same thing, pallets, skids, all the same. And reusing that material to create a casket. So stay tuned, you can keep watching, and I hope you enjoy. So we got the plans for this coffin from WikiHow. So this is the exact layout that we used for it, and all the measurements are there, so you can save this video or screenshot it. I'll put the link for it in the description of the video. But Andrew's cutting down our deck boards to size, just like in the picture there, and then we're using the extra pieces of pallet to fasten it all together. And we left gaps in between the coffin because we wanted the light to be able to shine through, which you'll see later on. That was the plan all along. So that's exactly how we did it. We used 2.5-inch deck screws just because it was what we had on hand. But again, we were trying to minimize costs and reuse what we had available, so we kept it pretty straightforward and simple. After laying all the pieces out, we could see the design, so we went around and fastened all of the pieces together, again using the same deck screws to hold it in place, and then we added additional bracing, which you're going to see shortly, to help hold it, because obviously we're going to be moving this coffin to another location. Andrew's cutting pieces for corner bracing, like a little bit of extra stability on the sides, because obviously this wood is rotted and in rough shape, so he's cutting them at 11 inches, and they're going to be fastened in the corners here. This entire coffin only took about an hour and a half to complete, and it didn't cost us anything because we reused everything we already had at the house. And we actually don't get trick-or-treaters at our house. We had some questions about that on TikTok when I said how we don't get trick-or-treaters, but we live in the country, so it's just not safe for kids to be out trick-or-treating where we live, with people driving fast on the country roads. And that's okay, because all of the things we're building for this Halloween display are actually going to be taken and moved elsewhere to my dad's house, where he gets a lot of trick-or-treaters, so the kids will be able to see it and enjoy it. And we love doing these kind of projects. As much as we love doing the home renovation thing, building these props and seasonal decor is so much fun, and we really look forward to doing it every year. Clearly, Andrew's moving very quick. It's like he's done this before. Quick intermission to show you what he built last Halloween. This is a man in an electric chair, and it's missing its head. Missing his head currently, but he rocks back and forth, and I'm scared to reuse the content on TikTok this year because it had a very mixed, it had some mixed opinions last year. Either people loved it because it was homemade and it was really cool. He had hands at one point too, or they absolutely hated it. So like I said earlier, every week on our social media accounts, we're going to be sharing some Halloween projects. We have home renovation projects coming up as well, so that's going to be thrown in the mix too. But if you guys want to see specifically the Halloween content, you can check out our TikTok and YouTube shorts, where the short versions of everything will be. And then we'll just do longer video content of the projects that are most popular or most well received. And if there's anything that you guys want to see us build, you can comment it below. We're always looking for Halloween ideas or just projects in general. If you guys have things you want to see at the house or room makeovers you want to see, always feel free to leave them in the comments, and we will look forward to reading what you guys have in mind.
One? You think it needs one near the top? might not.
It might not. So we're gonna fill in now behind it. Yeah, that's kind of cool. On an angle?
Yeah.
Sure, that's kind of fun.
Alright, so we'll screw that one on, I guess.
Okay.
All about nighttime.
Ooh, spooky. So we're gonna add in green Christmas lights inside of it to give it like a green glow. And we have a few more accessories. Andrew's working on something else.
I just wanted to see.
Ah, I see the vision. Okay, love the chain. Love the chain. That's a great touch, babe.
I think I have an old rusty one too.
If you do, that'd be even better.
Or are you thinking bold?
No, I think that the rusty one is amazing. Green Christmas lights are on the inside. I think we're gonna attach them around the inside of it so they're not just sitting on the ground, but the next time you see it, it will be in the